Alice, welcome to the block, or should I say, welcome to Hampton.
We're in a very different neck of the woods, aren't we, Shelley? But gosh, it's good to be here, and it's so lovely to be in Bayside, Melbourne, yet again.
It does have that real, quite young family vibe. Hampton Road itself is an amazing high street.
It is the most beautiful high street. It's got everything from the butcher, the baker, maybe the candlestick maker, and it's got a great train station. So you can be in the city in 25 minutes. And we know that for a lot of people, having great transport, excellent schools is absolutely key to when they're buying. And I think because price-wise, it is that little bit less than Brighton. We know that Brighton was a really much a high-end market of Melbourne. But I think if you come a little bit further south down to Hampton, people can get a bit more bang for their buck.
So for our contestants, it's all about nailing that buyer profile. Who should they be designing these houses for? And in fact, anyone who's renovating in Hampton, who should they be designing for?
I think definitely families. You're going to probably have multiple children here, and people who really want to live and enjoy being in their house. This is not sort of a lock and leave type area. I think people are going to really want to have amazing entertaining areas and have people over and that sort of thing. Also, probably low maintenance living that's actually easy. I think when you've got kids underfoot, you want houses that are kind of quite seamless and don't require a lot of maintenance and upkeep. Having an option of a home office is also going to be really key. We know that many people have the luxury of sort of working in a hybrid environment nowadays. And having a beautiful garden will also be the cherry on top. You know, we see a lot of people who renovate quite thoroughly, but then forget about the garden. And I think the gardens are so important for families. And I think it's got that quintessential Australian touch of suburbia, hasn't it? And I think this beautiful little cul-de-sac, you can just see kids on bicycles or playing street cricket out here, can't you?
That's it. Well, this particular cul-de-sac used to be the home of Shane Warne, believe it or not. So there was a lot of street cricket going on just here. So it sounds like Hampton's a pretty good spot to be.
It's absolutely idyllic. I'd be here in a heartbeat if I could.